What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be just walking you through a new service that we're offering because it's become extremely popular. I posted on my Facebook like 48 hours ago and already got like 8 people to sign up, and I haven't even announced it on YouTube, so I just wanted to share with you guys who are watching on YouTube, and I think you're going to love this too. So basically what we've got here is this is a new prop firm account passing service. If you've been following me and watching my videos about trading bots, I'll just link down below like more in-depth videos about the trading bot itself. That way you can watch it in action, all right? Because I have so many videos of already just seeing the bot trade and seeing things like that. So I'm not going to film it in this video again, but again, you can check those out and decide if you want to do this based on that or whatever. This video specifically, I just want to talk about the insane results that we've been getting for clients who are using our done-for-you prop account management service. And I'll show you some results of their payouts. Actually, let me just show you that first, because that's probably the stuff that you care about. So let me get some of these pulled up. All right, so first one we got right here is we have a client. You can see on the left. Let me see how to make my screen bigger. Oh, I guess I cannot make it bigger. Anyways, because I already started the video, so I can't change into the size. That makes sense. Anyways, right here you can see we got a client who made $11,000 from one. This is 14th of July, 2025. So this is about a month and a half ago, 6 weeks ago, roughly. And our client here used our bot service, our done-for-you trading bot service. I'll explain exactly how it works in this short video and how you can get started. Super simple to get started. We manage everything. But our client right here, you can see he made $11,000 as a payout from this prop firm. All right, second one right here, we got, oops, this is a different client. He got, let's see, $9,290 payout from the FTMO account that your EA passed. EA stands for Expert Advisor, which is a different word for trading bot. Can't believe this profit. The payment just arrived in my wallet. All right, so you can see he got almost 10K, in 1 month, which is pretty crazy. And this is going to keep going on every month. And then finally, I want to show you another one right here that I just took this morning. Actually, let me make myself smaller. This one's actually crazy. So this guy is using a 500 grand account, which you can do. We can get you accounts from anywhere from like 100 grand all the way up to 500 grand. And you can even get multiple 500 grand accounts. There's actually no limit. So, which is kind of crazy. But yeah, this client, Andre, says not bad for a day. And okay, I guess this is yesterday, not today. Anyways, yeah, $17,061 in 1 day from using our trading bot service on a 500 grand account. All right, so this is absolutely like life-changing money. And I just, I put this image, I'm going to post it on social media and stuff. But I added this right here because it's true, right? It says, sorry if you're not doing this, you actually hate money. Because why? We do everything for you. We set it up, we manage it. It's completely on autopilot. You don't have to deal with setting up the accounts. We do that all for you. And we also set up the trading bot with the proper settings and the proper risk management settings for you so that you don't have to lift a finger. You just get the payouts. That's all. All right. So right here, I'm going to put the link down below if you want to apply. This is not everyone is going to be able to do this. So if you want to do this, I recommend that you apply right away because this takes us a lot of time to set up. But again, it's completely done for you. So if you are chosen and selected to become a customer and a client with us, then we will do this all for you. So again, you can unlock instant prop firm funding without lifting a finger. We will pass your prop firm challenges for you safely, fast, and stress-free. There's no charts for you, no sleepless nights, no blown accounts, just a tiny one-time fee, and you walk away with a funded account ready to trade and keep 100% of the profits. So please complete this application form. So yeah, basically I'm going to link this down below. You can see some more examples right here. And yeah, this is actually a manual trading account. So we do offer that for manual trading too. But yeah, anyways, just if you guys want to check this out, again, this video, I'm not going to film the trading bot. It's actually a weekend anyway, so the markets are closed and the bot will just not be moving. Well, none of the price action, no prices are moving because all the, again, market is closed right now while I'm filming this. So you can check out other videos that I'll link down below if you actually want to see the bot working. This video is purely just about this specific offer. So if you want to get our done-for-you prop firm account passing service, it's super, super affordable. You pay for the prop firm accounts that you want. So again, that's a standard. That's a given. Like you're gonna, obviously purchase the prop firm accounts that you want. And then our service fee is very, very small, just tacked onto that. And then you can go ahead and get started. We have clients doing what I think is a crazy big amount. So we got basically making 10K a month or more just with one account, where this guy is doing a really, really big account. Not everyone wants to do a 500K account. But if you do, you can make, on a good day, you can make some pretty good profits just from one day. So that's it for this video. And yeah, check out the link below if you want to get in on this. I would recommend getting started absolutely as soon as possible, because when I opened this offer up 48 hours ago, literally already had 7 or 8 people who already paid and they're doing this. So spots are filling up very fast. I highly recommend that if you're interested in this, that you go ahead and you apply today.